Hello my friends and welcome back. In this section, we're going to learn about ViewPager in Android. A ViewPager combined with Fragments is a powerful UI pattern in Android that allows you to create swipeable screens or tabs, where each screen or tab contains a separate fragment. This is commonly used for building apps with multiple views or sections that the users can navigate through swiping horizontally, similar to a gallery or series of pages, exactly like this application. It's also used to guide the users through the app when the user launches the app for the first time. Open Android Studio, create a new project, select empty views activity, and I'll name it as ViewPager app. Click finish. The first step is to create the ViewPager widget. And the ViewPager is a UI widget that allows you to horizontally scroll through a series of views or fragments. For that, I'll start with the main activity.xml file. I remove this text view and I'll add the ViewPager here. ViewPager and select ViewPager 2. This is the latest library of the ViewPager. Click enter and you can see it's from Android X ViewPager2.widget package match parent. And you can see it. This is the ViewPager widget. Invert the constraints. Just click on this button and here I'll give it an ID ViewPager 2. So this is how we create the ViewPager widget in Android. And for better implementation without any problem for the ViewPager 2 library, we need to add the following Android X dependency to your project's build.gradle file. Select Kotlin and copy this line, this implementation. Go to gradle.kts. And here in the dependencies scoop, I'll paste the implementation of the ViewPager 2 library. Click sync now. The second step is to create the fragments. So the fragments represents modular and reusable parts of your app's UI or functionality. Each fragment can contain its own user interface and behavior. Fragments are especially useful for creating swipeable sections within a ViewPager. And in this tutorial, I'll create three blank fragments to the project. I'll create new blank fragment and I'll name it as fragment 1. Click finish, remove all of these codes and keep the constructor and the onCreateView method. This is the default constructor and the onCreateView is a method that it is responsible for inflating or parsing or displaying the respective XML file, which is the fragment_1. And this is the layout. And this method returns the view which is added to the ViewPager adapter. So it's essential for inflating and displaying this layout. I'll edit the fragment_1 layout. And you can see this is the text view and I'll name it as fragment number 1. And I'll add a background color for this layout. And I'll add this color. This is fragment number 1. I'll create another fragment called 2. New fragment blank and I'll name it. Again, remove unnecessary codes, keep the constructor and the onCreateView method. Edit the fragment_2 layout. And I'll add this color. Again, and the last fragment, create a new fragment, blank 3, and I remove these unnecessary codes. Till now, we're good. We created our fragments layout.